Problem 9. The shape on the right is covered with the 5 pieces below. Which piece will cover the dot? Let us pick the pieces from options and figure out our answer. So C seems the corner piece, which will go like this. E should be coming here. Now we have option A that goes perfectly here and it also covers our dot. So our answer would be A. Let us figure out rest. So we have this one goes here and this is option D. And then rest is option B. So our answer is option A. Problem 10. Rosita has 6 weights of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. She puts 5 of them on the scale as shown and puts 1 weight aside. The scales balances like this. Which weight did she put aside? So we have to find out the weight for this. Again, let's break down the problem step by step. Rosita has 6 weight 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. She places 5 of them. So she has already placed 5. So we cancel 5 from here. We have 6 and we cancel 6. Now 1 weight is set aside. So we have to find it out which one. We know the scale balances, which means the total weight on the left side, it should be equal to the right side. So what could be the number which balances? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So we have on this side 5 and 2 numbers and 6 and 2 numbers. Remaining numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 to choose. So if we choose 3 and 2 along with 5, so we have 10 in here. Can we make it 10? So we have used 3 and 2. Can we make here 10? Yes, we used 4. So the weight which it's sitting here is 1. So our answer is option A, 1 kg. Problem 11. There are 4 heads, red, blue, yellow and green. With closed eyes, the tiger, the fox, the panther and the kangaroo put a head on their heads randomly. We know the panther's head is not yellow, not red. The panther's head and the kangaroo head are not blue. The fox head and the tiger's head are not yellow. These are our clues. What color is the kangaroo's head? These are our options. So from clue 1, the panther's head is not yellow, not red. That means it could be blue or green. Clue 2, the panther's head and the kangaroo's head are not blue. That means we ruled out blue and we ruled out blue for kangaroo as well. The fox head and the tiger's head are not yellow. So we ruled out yellow and yellow from here. That means the color left for kangaroo is yellow. And our question says what color is the kangaroo's head? And this is yellow. So our answer is option C, yellow. Problem 12. Rebecca folds sheet of paper twice as shown. Then she cuts a corner. Then she unfolds the sheet. What does the sheet of paper looks like when unfolded? So she folded paper twice. One this direction. So we have a paper and we fold it from here to here. And then we fold it again this direction as shown. Then she cut a corner. So what does the sheet of paper look like? This is folded, correct, but when it is cut from inside, so it could be this, this and this. The reason is because the flat area matches the corner one. So which resembles to this? It is option B. Because if we see option A, it's center, both rectangle, this is not possible. This is, it cuts from the center, it's not possible. It's on the corner. This is not possible. And it has from the center and from the corner. Not possible. So our answer is option B. Perfect. You guys are doing awesome. Let's move on to the next challenge. Problem 13. There are 7 houses north of road A, 8 houses east of road B, and 5 houses south of road A. How many houses are west of road B? This is a very interesting problem. So we have given 7 houses north of road A. So we say north of road A, that means this direction. There are total from here to here, there are 7 houses. 8 houses east of road B. So east of road B, that comes, this all houses would be 8. And 5 houses south of road A. So 5 houses south of road A. So this is a very interesting scenario. It says north of road A is 7 and south of road A is 5. So it covers the entire ground here. 7 plus 5 covers the entire, and it gives us 12. So the houses in here are 12. Now the question says how many houses are west of road B? That means we have to determine west of road B, this area. Since road B divides the house into east and west, and we know there are 8 houses east of road B, the number of houses west of road B is total houses minus houses east of road B. That is, total houses is 12 minus 8 gives us 4. So our answer is option A, 4. If you enjoyed these videos and want to help me make more, please subscribe and hit the notification bell. Your support means a lot. Now let's move to problem 14. The metro line has 6 stations, A, B, C, D, E, and F. The train stops at every station. When it reaches one of the 2 end stations, it changes its direction. The train driver started driving at station B and her first stop was station C. So these are our station A, B, C, D, E, F. The driver starts from B and the first stop is C. Which station will be her 96th stop? Let's dive into step by step. So we see that the metro line has 6 stations and it starts from B and the first station is C. D, E, F, and then it turns back E, D, C, B, A, and then comes back on B. So how many stops it covers? It covers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So if it goes from B and comes to B, it covers 10. So let's do that. 10. So this is how many it covers. So we have 96th stop. What could we do? We have 90 plus 6. So if we have 90, that is multiple of 10, it goes from C to B, C to B, and it is for 9 times. So if we multiply by 9, it gives us 90. So this covers 90. Now, the remaining is 6. So what did we do? We will run 6 stops. So say 1, 2, 3, 4, comes back 5, and 6th. So that is our 96th stop, which is D. So our answer is option D, is the 96th stop. Problem 15. Sam walks through the 2-story maze from the entrance to the exit, passing 3 wall stickers. In what order will she see them? These are our options. So Sam enters through the door, goes somehow walking on the stairs, and goes on the 2nd floor and move around and came out. So we have to find out which order will she see them. So Sam enters from here, she got in here, she went in the stairs. She came out here, she got in here, and then she saw a sticker. So she saw these two stickers in here. We will remove these ones. Then there is a stair here. So she comes down the stairs. That means she comes on in this room. She goes in this door. She passes this door, and then she passes through this door, and she saws a rhino. That is option A. Then she comes here, and then again she went up the stairs. She comes down here, and then she takes this door. This goes in here, and she sees the fish. She comes out this door, goes in here, goes in this door, and then she sees the stairs, come down the stairs, and then she exit. So our answer is option A. This is what stickers she will see them. We have reached to the last problem of this series, part B. Problem 16. There are 5 treasure chests. The number of coins in each chest is marked on 3 of the chests. Zachary does not know the number of coins in the other 2 chests. If walking along the path 1, he would collect 32 coins in total. Along path 2, he would collect 31 coins in total. How many coins would Zachary collect along path 3? These are our options. So we have path 2, it goes 12, question mark, 8 and 31. So with this we can determine what this is. So we say 31 minus 8 and plus 12 gives us 20, and 31 minus 20 gives us 11. So this is 11. Let's clear this up. So this is 11, we found it. Now we have path 1, this one. So we have this one. We can determine this intersection. So we have 32, 14, 11. So 11 plus 14 gives us 25. Now we minus 32 minus 25 gives us 7. So this is 7. Now we have here, we have 7 and we have 11. Now can we determine path 3? So we have 12, 7, 8. So how much it is? 12 plus 7 gives us 19. 19 plus 8 gives us 27. So this is 27. So our answer is option B, 27 coins. With this, we wrap up part B of 9 to 16 questions from the 2023 Math Kangaroo for grade 3 and 4. Make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new challenge. See you in part C of 2023 for grade 3 and 4. Bye.